Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I don't know about you, but one thing about RVs, you know, Class Bs, vans, etc., is the air conditioners can sometimes be pretty loud. Well, here on the Winnebago Echo, it's right above our heads in the bedroom area, and even though it's ducted, it is extremely loud. So let's try to take that noise down a bit today. So they do make some products. They have like the RV silencer, things like that. And I debated purchasing that, but it's a couple $100. So I figured let's grab some HVAC foil tape and let's give that a try first, because just taking off the filter area, I can already see there are areas, like, I mean, it's huge, that they did not patch up. So it's a lot of air escaping, so that's going to affect efficiency, which in the front, the vents don't let out much air up there. So we're going to see if we can correct that issue as well as make it quieter. So I did download an app so I could see the decibels. So what I'm going to do right now is actually run a baseline test. I'm going to put this filter back on, and I'm going to put my phone right in between where our heads are, right here on this center area, and see what we get for decibels. As you can hear, the AC is kicked on. So we are getting right about 66 decibels or so. So now let me get this thing taken apart and put the foil tape to use, and let's see what the readings are after. Alright, we're gonna have to get into the garage area and get my electric drill, because this little Phillips here is not working. They really tightened this down, so I'm at the hospital parking lot, so I'm kind of trying to stay inconspicuous. I'm waiting for Brittany to get done work, because we have to head out of town this evening to go somewhere really cool. I'm looking forward to sharing that with you guys. But let me get back there and get that. So ideally, what I would like to do is actually, I should have grabbed some insulation, just a piece, and kind of make a pyramid like this, going up to where the AC air dumps down in. And let me show you this so you guys have better understanding. So you see up in there, you got that side that goes out and down through. And then you have also on this side another one. I'd like to build kind of a pyramid going up right here to that top opening. See, there we go. Get the lighting a little better. But what I was talking about is, you see right here, they did not bundle that up too well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover the area with the wires exposed, and then I am going to also foil tape over this insulation and around there, and kind of try to give it more of a reflective surface. Hopefully it bounces off and goes out. And then I think I'm actually going to foil tape over this, because we don't use this dump. We have the cats, they like to hang out up there, so we always have this closed. So I think I'm going to foil over that also. That is the dump right there. The AC dump is fully covered. So we're going to see if that helps with noise. But I'm also actually thinking of, like I was explaining, doing that triangle down from the top where the AC dumps in the air to the side ducts. I'm thinking about using the foil tape and seeing if I can stick it on there and then kind of run it down and stick it in there. See if it works. Well, everybody, I finished. I ended up taping a lot. So let's take a look at this so you guys can see what I did. So as you can see, I wired up, or taped up the wired area. I had a big hole right here, also on this side. And then in here, I did end up making kind of that, like, you know, half triangle pyramid all the way on both sides. Let me try to back up so you can see that a little bit better. So it kind of has a little lip going down on each side. So we're gonna see if this makes it more efficient and more quiet. Well, everybody, as you can hear and you saw, it dropped it only a few decibels, but actually to the ear, I guess a few decibels makes a pretty big difference because it sounds substantially quieter. So I'm actually pretty impressed. Easy, like 14 bucks for this. I'll have it on hand for any future mods, and I probably am going to, as you guys saw, I made those ramps with the foil, but at some point I probably will actually cut those and put in foam there because that'll be more sound deadening, and then I'll put a piece of foam across the bottom also. So there it is. Now let's go up front and just check and see if the vents feel like they're putting out any more power. This will be all my opinion, not scientific. Don't have any data to prove it, but you did see the data on the decibels, dropped it a few. All right, so it is actually putting out a lot more. This is pretty impressive, and I have the fan on and everything right here, so it's actually kind of useless right now that I have the AC on. It's warm here, but I'm in under a tree, so I'm decently cool enough. But yeah, it's putting out more air, guys. So thumbs up, easy $14, $15 fix. You can actually get HVAC foil for even cheaper. So there's that. So there's an easy fix to make your AC and your Echo a little quieter and to give yourself a little bit more airflow. If you want to take it to the next level, get a piece of styrofoam, you know, insulation foam, like a foam board, cut that in and actually use that for the pyramids coming down. But for 15 bucks, can't beat it. I'll take a few decibels quieter and more airflow up here for when we're up here and for the cats. I appreciate you guys coming along for another quick and easy mod. I hope these easy mods are helping you all out there in the RV van world, especially my fellow Echoers. So until next time, get out there, keep exploring, and we'll catch you on the road.
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see